it's Paul Hedges from Rate My Clinic. So why use a business coach? Well, there's a few reasons. One is that, and I think probably the most important, is to help you get some clarity and direction. Where do you want to go and how are you going to get there? Have someone help you work that out and then a plan to do it and achieve it. The other is external accountability. If you're not in a business partnership, which many of you aren't, then having someone external that you can be accountable to for the things that you say you want to do can be very valuable. The other thing I would say is systems and frameworks. Having someone that has proven systems and frameworks is important. Not the be-all and end-all, because there's lots of different ways to go about it, but it is important. And straight away, when you start working with an appropriate business coach, they will be able to share things with you that they know work. So then, how do I work? Good question. Let me explain. So the way I work is that it all starts with a Rate My Clinic personal assessment. We've developed some proprietary methodology to assess an allied health clinic, and we do that by surveying the owner, we survey the clients, we survey the team. We then get a whole bunch of data that we can benchmark against the clinics that have gone before. So we have a very, very clear understanding of what good looks like. So we assess all of that data and then put all that in a report along with recommendations back to you, the clinic owner. Now, in terms of coaching, we start with that because you've got to have a foundation. You need to know where you are and what some of the gaps might be. So then what I'll do is I'll present all of that in a detailed report to you, but you and I will work out what are the priorities we want to focus on over the next 6 months. So the coaching program I have is a 6-month commitment. Not a lot of point in doing 1 or 2 sessions. You need to at least work with me for 6 months to get the benefits that you would want in investing. So that's the way I do it. So we would then meet monthly after developing our plan. I provide phone and email support along the way as well. And whatever your priorities are, we have a specific plan to achieve it, and I'm there to help you every step of the way. Why consider me? Well, I'm in a bit of a unique situation in the sense that I have 25 years senior management experience in the corporate world. On top of that, I'm the co-owner of a physio and Pilates clinic that has been established for over 22 years now. So that puts me in a very, very unique situation that I've straddled both worlds, if you like, the corporate world, the small business world, and particularly the allied health small business world. The other thing that I would add to that is I've developed the Rate My Clinic assessment methodology, which means that I've got access to data on what good looks like that no one else has. So I think those would be the key reasons that I would say as to why consider me. But as I said before, these choices are very individual. For whatever reason, the way I look, the way I talk might not resonate with you, and that's perfectly fine. What I do advocate, though, is that you look for a business coach that can help you do all the things that I've talked about, and just keep looking till you find the right one. If you want to talk to me, I'll obviously be very happy to have the conversation with you. Thank you.